That is the unit 3 is the corona in transmission line. Actually, the transmission line are classified for two types. One is for the overhead transmission line, another one is for the underground cables. In overhead transmission line, we can transfer the operating voltage up to 765 kV. But in underground cables, we can transfer the operating voltage up to 66 kV. Beyond, we can transfer the voltage. Economically, it is not satisfied. In overhead transmission line, all the conductor is the visible, we can see with our naked eyes, but underground cables, all it is in the trench. All it is in the trench. The overhead transmission line, the losses is more. It is affected for the skin effect, proximity effect, Ferranti effect, corona, sag, swell, tension, so on, etc. That is, this the corona is occurred in the only in overhead transmission line. It is not occurred in the underground cables. That is, in overhead transmission line, the phenomena of hissing noise, violet glow, and the protection of ozone gas is known as corona. The simply it is represented, that is the summarized as the violet glow is observed around the conductor. Suppose in the transmission line, it consists of the three phases. One is for the R phase, Y phase, another one is for the B phase. If any one of the phases, the glow is appeared, that is the violet glow is appeared, that is represent for the corona. And the second one, it produces hissing noise, that is nothing but the buzzer noise, and produces ozone gas, and it affected for the radio and communication lines. Actually, the current is flowing in the sine wave. Actually, the current is flowing in the sine wave. That is the AC system, the 50 Hz frequency. The current is flowing in the sinusoidal. Whenever the corona is taken place in the particular line, the current is disturbed, that is flowing in the non-sinusoidal wave. That is the small amount of the disturbances is appeared, and is it flowing in the non-sinusoidal wave. Due to that, they affected for the radio and communication lines. And under the corona condition, the charging current is increased. Due to that, the capacitance is also affected. That is already we know that the charging current is represented for IC equal to 2 pi FC into V phase. That is the charging current is represented for IC, that is 2 pi FC into V phase. That is the charging current is directly proportional to the capacitance. That is 2 pi is constant. The frequency is 50 Hz. They are substituting for the phase voltage. That the line, the transmission line is represent for 110, 120 kV, 220, 400, and then 765 kV. Here we are taken for the phase voltage. But the charging current is directly proportional to the capacitance. Once the charging current is increases, means the capacitance is also increased. The capacitance is also increased. But in one condition is there in the power system, from starting point to up to the ending point, the inductance and the capacitance value should be maintained for constant. Once this value is changed, means automatically the losses is increased. And one more thing, the glow is maximum over rough and then dirty surface of the conductor. At the time of the erection, the transmission line is considered for the smooth surface. After the 6 months or 1 year, it is observed for the dusty particle, because all the conductor it is in the open atmosphere, observed for the dust particle, and due to that the corona occurrence is more. Due to that, the effect is more. And if the two conductor are the short circuited due to the heavy wind pressure in the rainy season, or any tree are fallen on the conductor due to the accident, the two conductors are clashed to each other. At that time, the conductor is considered for the rough surface. In that the rough surface, the corona occurrence is more comparing to the smooth surface. That is, the corona, it is nothing but a phenomena of hissing noise, the violet glow, and the production of ozone gas is occur in the overhead transmission line is represented as the corona. And simply we can summarize as violet glow is observed on the around the conductor, and it produces hissing noise, produces ozone gases, and it affected for the radio and communication signal due to the non-sinusoidal wave. And affected for the charging current, that is the charging current is increased Due to that, the capacitance is affected. Once the corona is occurred on the conductor, the charging in the particular line, the charging current is increased. Due to that, the capacitance value is increased. Once the capacitance value is not maintained constant, it affected for the transmission line, because already we know that it maintained for the three parameter. In AC transmission system, it consists of three parameter: resistance, inductance, another one is for the capacitance. But the resistance is constant throughout the line, and you need to balance the inductance as well as for the capacitance. And the corona is occurred the maximum in the rough and then dirty surface. It is the minimum in the smooth or polished conductor. Smooth or polished conductor. And the effect of the corona. Once the corona is taken place, what are the major effects? The primary thing, the corrosion due to the ozone formation. It produces ozone, that is the corrosion. Once the corrosion is taken place in the overhead transmission line, the voltage drop is more. It consists of the three conductor. For example, you can take 132 kV transmission line. Once the corona is taken place in the conductor, that is, it produces the hissing noise. It produces violet glow, ozone gas. That is, once it produces the ozone formation in the particular places, that is the formation of the corrosion, that is the white color, the powder. Once the corrosion is taken place, up to now, here theoretically we are studying for 132 kV, but practically in the line we are getting from 123 kV or 127 or 128 kV. The little bit of the line losses is there. Here, due to the formation of the corona, that is due to the formation of ozone gas, here the corrosion is taken place. Here, the output, the same voltage is not there. That is, the voltage drop is there. We are getting only 110 kV or 102 kV or 103 kV. From in this the particular point to up to the the receiving point, the same voltage is there. Here, what about the thing? The voltage is drop. That is, once the voltage is drop, means already we know that is P equal to VI cos phi. P equal to VI cos phi in single phase system. In three phase system, that is P equal to √3 VI cos phi. What about the power? That is the power. Once the voltage is reduced, means the power is also minimized. Once the power is minimized, means what about the efficiency? Efficiency is decreased. These are the effect of the corona. Now, that is the primary thing, corrosion due to the ozone formation. Once the corona is taken place in the overhead transmission line, due to the production of ozone gas, the particular area, the corrosion is taken place. Once the corrosion is taken place, means the voltage drop is increased. Due to that, the dissipation of power, that is the loss of power. The power losses is increased. Once the power losses is increased, means total the efficiency is also reduced or the efficiency is minimized. And here, once the corona is taken place, the current is considered for the non-sinusoidal wave. Once the non-sinusoidal is taken place, it affected for the radio and then communication signals. Affected for the interference of the radio and communication signals due to the non-sinusoidal waveform. Once it is affected, means automatically the charging, due to the increase of the charging current, the capacitance is increased. That is, the capacitance value is increased. Here, the output power is minimized or reduced. Due to that, the transmission efficiency is reduced. These are the various effects of corona. Here, the main thing, at present, the power generation is less than the demand. That is, the demand is more, but the generation is maintained for the constant. We need to satisfy for the consumer. That is, need to minimize for some amount of the losses. That is, can minimize for the sag, swell, corona, Ferrand effect, the skin effect, proximity effect, so on, etc. And what are the factors affecting corona? Actually, in the overhead transmission line, due to the ionization of the air surrounded by the line conductor, Corona is affected by the various parameters. One is for the atmosphere, conductor size, the spacing between conductor. Another one is for the line voltage. In atmosphere, in a year 365 days, all the days the climate condition is not same. That is summer season, winter season, monsoon, so on, etc. Based up the season, the climate it should be changed. That is, in stormy weather condition, the number of ions released in the atmosphere is more as compared to the fair weather condition. It is the stormy weather condition in the sense, in the rainy season, the number of ions released is more comparing to the summer season. The major problem is only in the rainy seasons. That is due to the formation of the ionization, corona is taken place. And due to the first one is the primary effect is comes on atmosphere. That is the maximum in the stormy weather condition. That is nothing but the rainy season comparing to the summer. And the second one is conductor size. Already we are studied. The conductors are classified for 4 types: standard conductor, solid conductor, hollow conductor. Another one is for the bundle conductor. Once we are increasing the diameter, the corona is decreased. That is, the conductor, the diameter is increased means the corona is minimized. Generally, we are preferred for the standard conductor. That is, in standard conductor, the diameter is less comparing to the solid conductor. But that is, the conductors are classified for 4 types: solid conductor, standard conductor, hollow conductor. Another one is for the bundle conductor. Hollow conductor, another one is for the bundle conductor. In standard conductor, again it is classified for so many types. That is ACSR conductor, aluminum conductor, steel reinforced; ACR, aluminum conductor, alloy reinforced; AAC, all aluminum, alloy conductor. Okay, but here we are used in the standard conductor is ACSR conductor. That is, the corona is more in the standard conductor as compared to the solid conductor. Once the diameter is increased means, the corona is minimized. And one more thing, the corona is more in the rough conductor, rough and then dirty conductor as compared to the smooth conductor. And the spacing between the conductor, as per IEEE standard, for example, you can take the 3-phase system, 3-phase 3-wire system, that is R phase, Y phase, B phase. As per the IEEE standard, from R phase to Y phase, they are given for the 1 inch, and Y to B more or less, that is 1 inch or 1.5 inch. This is the, as per the IEEE standard, already they are tested, the voltage drop is minimum and the efficiency is good. Suppose if the spacing is increased, the spacing between the conductor, if the spacing is increased means automatically the corona is minimized. And the last one is nothing but the line voltage. At lower voltages, the corona effect is nil. At higher voltage level, the corona effect is up here. That is up to 66 kV, the corona effect is minimum. For 132, 220, 400 and 765 kV, the corona effect is more. The thing is here the atmospheric, it is not in our hand. That is the climate, it should be in the nature, it is not in our hand. Conductor sizing, we can increase the diameter, we can minimize the losses. And one more thing, once the diameter is increased means the weight of the conductor is also increased. Here we can take for the necessary step, we can take for some precautions. The spacing between the conductor, this is also we can maintain for the, as per the IEEE standard, the spacing from one conductor to the another, that is R to Y, Y to B and then B to R. We can maintain as per the standards, we can minimize the some amount of losses. The line voltage, this is for lower operating voltages, the effect is less comparing to the higher operating voltages. And methods of reducing corona. What are the methods we can minimize corona? The first one, by increasing conductor size. Once the size of the conductor is increased, the corona effect is minimized. That is, we are used for the ACSR conductor. If used for the large cross-section area in the transmission line, we can minimize the effect. And we can increasing the conductor spacing. That is from one phase to another phase, we are increasing as per the standard. We can test it. We can minimize the losses. And third one, by using the bundle conductor. In bundle conductor, the effect is very less. That is, the diameter of the bundle conductor is much larger than that of equivalent single conductor. That's why the only the one option for that purpose we are used for 220 kV, 400 and then 765 kV. We are preferred for the bundle conductor. The remaining all we are used for the single conductor, that is 66, 132 kV. From 220 kV onwards, we are used for the bundle conductor. Due to that, we can minimize for the effects. We can minimize the effects. And what are the advantages and disadvantages of the corona? And here the main thing, the advantages is due to the formation of the corona, the air surrounding the conductor becomes conducting, and hence the virtual diameter of the conductor is increased. The virtual diameter of the conductor is increased. This is the major advantages. And the increased diameter reduces the electrostatic stress between the conductor. That is, the capacitance, the effect it should be minimized. And the next one, corona reduces the effect of transient, produces the surges. Actually, in the transmission line, the transient, the surges is that is interruption of the current. Already here, due to the formation of the corona, it is considered for the non-sinusoidal wave. Non-sinusoidal, due to that, it reduces for the transients. And what are the drawbacks of the affecting corona in the transmission line? The drawback is the loss of energy. That is, once the formation of the corrosion in the overhead transmission line, it reduces the voltage drop. Due to that, the power loss is increased. Once the loss is increased, means the drawback is the efficiency. That is, it affected for the transmission efficiency. And due to the production of ozone gas, formation of the corrosion of the conductor due to the chemical action, this is the major drawback. And another one, the current the flowing in the transmission line, the non-sinusoidal. Due to that, it affected for the radio and then interference signal. Radio and then interference signal. These are the various drawbacks, the effect of the corona in the overhead transmission line. And here the three parameters is that one is for the critical disruptive voltage, another one visual critical voltage, next one is power loss due to corona. These are only for the formula. This is used to simplify the problems. That is, it is minimum phase to neutral voltage at which corona occurs, that is represent for the critical disruptive voltage. This is the transmission line is the particular point the corona is taken place, the glow, violet glow is appear. At that the point is represent for the critical disruptive voltage. That is minimum phase to neutral voltage at which the corona taken place. That is, the critical disruptive voltage is represent for the VC. Critical disruptive voltage is represent for the VC. That is M0 G0 delta R log D by R kV per kilovolt per phase. That is, M0 is represent for the irregularity factor. The M0 is represent for irregularity factor. Irregularity factor. That is, the value of the irregularity factor is 1 for smooth and then polished conductor. That is, the value is 1 for smooth and then polished conductor. And dirty conductor, that is, observe the dust particle in the open atmosphere. The irregularity factor, that is for critical disruptive voltage, 0.98 to 0.92. For standard conductor, that is the ACSR conductor, the value is 0.87 to 0.8. This is the standard value. This is the standard value. We are simplifying the problem. Defaultly, you can take, that is the irregularity factor of the critical disruptive voltage, that is the M0. For smooth conductor or the polished conductor, the value is 1. For dirty conductor, the value is 0.98 to 0.92. And the standard conductor is 0.87 to 0.8. And the G0 is represent for dielectric strength of air or the breakdown strength of air. The G0 is dielectric strength of air. Actually, the G naught, the value, dielectric strength of air is 30 kV per centimeter at a temperature of 25 degrees centigrade and the pressure of 76 centimeter of Hg, that is 76 centimeter of mercury. 76 centimeter of mercury, that is the dielectric strength of air at a temperature of 25 degrees centigrade and pressure of 76 centimeter of the mercury. The value is 30 kV per centimeter, but always it is represented in the RMS value, that is 30 by root 2. We can convert it, this the line value converted in terms of RMS value, that is 30 by root 2. We are getting 21.2 kV per centimeter, 21.2 kV per centimeter. And delta, that is represent for air density factor, that is 3.92 B, 3.92 B by 273 plus T. B in the sense the barometric pressure in centimeter of the mercury, that is the B is nothing but the barometric pressure. Barometric pressure, and 273 is the constant, that is room temperature, and T the temperature in the centigrade. The T is represent temperature in the centigrade, and D the distance between the conductor, from one conductor to the another conductor, how much is distance, and R is radius of the conductor. R is radius of the conductor. That is the critical disruptive voltage. It is minimum phase to neutral voltage at which the corona is taken place at the particular point, that is represent for critical disruptive voltage. It is represent for Vc, that is Vc equal to m naught G naught delta R log d by R base C kilovolt per phase. That is m naught in the sense irregularity factor. The value for the smooth conductor or polished conductor is 1. For dirty conductor, the value is 0.98 to 0.92. For standard conductor, the value is 0.87 to 0.8. And the G naught is the dielectric strength of air, or the simply it is represent for breakdown strength of air at a temperature of 25 degrees centigrade and the pressure of 76 centimeter. The value is 30 kV per centimeter in terms of line value, that we can write down in terms of the RMS value, that is 30 by root 2. We are getting 21.2 kV per centimeter. It is represented in the RMS value, and delta is represent for air density factor, that is the value is 3.92 B by 273 plus T, 273 plus T. B in the sense the barometric pressure in centimeter of mercury, that is Hg, and T is the temperature in centigrade, and D that is the distance between the conductor, and R is represent for radius of the conductor. And the next one, visual critical voltage, or it is represent for critical visual voltage. It is minimum phase to neutral voltage at which the corona glow appear along the conductor line. Suppose here the corona is taken plus the violet glow is appear. In this, the particular point is represent for critical disruptive voltage. The glow is appear along the conductor, that is the glow is appear along the line conductor, that is represent for visual critical voltage, or it is represent for critical visual voltage. That is disruptive, the critical disruptive voltage is represent for the Vc. For visual critical voltage is represent for Vv. Visual critical voltage is represent for Vv, that is mv G naught delta R into 1 plus 0.3 by square root of delta R log d by R. But in critical disruptive voltage, that is represent for Vc m naught G naught delta R into log d by R. But in the visual critical voltage is represent for, in terms of the visual, that is it is represent for Vv, it is mv G naught into delta R 1 plus 0.3 by square root of delta R into log d by R. M naught mv is represent for the irregularity factor. Here the value of the irregularity factor is 1 for smooth or polished conductor. The value is 1 for smooth or polished conductor. For rough conductor, that is 0.72 to 0.82. For rough conductor, the value of the irregularity factor is 0.72 to 0.82. And G naught is represent for the dielectric strength of air, the same. The value is 30 kV per centimeter at a temperature of 25 degrees centigrade and at a pressure of 76 centimeter of the mercury. And the RMS value is 21.21 kV per centimeter. That is for the RMS value. And delta is represent for the air density factor, that is 3.92 B by 273 plus T. B in the sense the barometric pressure and T is temperature, and D is distance between the conductor and R is radius of the conductor. This is visual critical voltage, or simply it is represent for critical visual disruptive voltage. And the next topic is power loss due to the corona. How the power is lost due to the corona? It is affected for the one is for the light, another one is for heat, sound, and chemical action. That is light in the sense it produces the violet glow around the conductor, and the heat due to that, once the violet glow is appeared, the temperature is increased in the overhead line conductor, and the sound it produces for the hissing noise, and affected for the chemical action. Chemical action in the sense the formation of the corrosion, that is it is affected for the energy loss with dissipated in the form of light, heat, sound, and then chemical action. When the disruptive voltage is exceeded the power loss due to the corona, that is the formula to find out the power loss due to the corona is P equal to 242.2 into F plus 25 by delta square root of R by D into V minus Vc square into 10 to the power of minus 5 kilowatt per kilometer per phase. That is 242.2 is the constant value. 242.2 is the constant value. F is the frequency, that is supply frequency. As per Indian standard frequency is 58 plus 25 by delta. Delta is represent for air density factor, that is 3.92 B by 273 plus T, and R radius of the conductor, D the distance between the conductor or spacing between the conductor, and V is represent for the phase to neutral voltage, is the actual supply voltage. Here we are taken for the RMS value. What is the VC? VC is represent for disruptive critical voltage. This is also a substitute for the RMS value. That is the power loss due to the corona is P equal to 242.2 into F plus 25 by delta square root of R by D into V minus Vc square into 10 to the power of minus 5 kilowatt per kilometer per phase. 242.2 is the constant value. F is supply frequency represented in H. As per Indian standard frequency is 50 Hz. That is plus or minus 2.5 variation is there. That is 47.5 Hz to 52.5 Hz. And delta is air density factor. Already we know that the value is 3.92 B by 273 plus T. B in the sense the barometric pressure. T is temperature in centigrade. And R represent the radius of the conductor, and D is distance between the conductor or spacing between the conductor. And capital V is represent for phase to neutral voltage taken for the RMS value, and VC is disruptive critical voltage. And the last topic is radio interference due to the corona. Once the corona is taken place in the overhead transmission line, that is the flow of current is non-sinusoidal. The flow of current is non-sinusoidal. Due to that, they affected for the radio and communication signal. That is for the smooth surface, for smooth conductor, in the weather condition it is good. That is either stormy weather condition or fair weather condition. And the radio interference signal is also very, very minute. That is the small. While designing the transmission line, they taken for the n number of precautions. Conductor is considered for the smooth surface. Suppose the conductor is for the rough surface. The corona taken place is maximum. That is, it produces for the ozone gas, the violet formation. Due to that, the corrosion is taken place in the conductor. Once the corrosion is taken place, the flow of the current is non-sinusoidal. Due to that, affected for the radio and then communication signal, that is radio interference signal. It affect for the TV communication, telephone signal, FM broadcasting, and the transmission line radar, so on, etc. And this, the radio interference is measured in terms of the electric field is represent microvolt per meter. It is represent for this radio interference is measured in the overhead line, the microvolt per meter. That is mu V per meter. And this effect is the maximum in the greater than 200 kV. This radio interference signal, this effect is maximum greater than 200 kV. That is, this effect is maximum in the 220 kV transmission line, 400 and then 765 signal. That is, it's affected due to the noise signal in communication like carrier signal, radio and television receiver, navigational signal, so on, etc. In these classes, we are discussed about what is the introduction of the corona and what are the factors affecting the corona and methods of reducing corona, what are the advantages and disadvantages, and we have seen 3 parameters. One is for critical disruptive voltage, visual critical voltage, power loss due to corona, and radio and then communication signal, that is radio interference due to corona. The next class we will see for the numerical problems on corona.